Hi everyone, finding the highest and lowest marks in Excel is a straightforward process. They are designed to scan a range of cells and return the extreme values instantly. So to get the highest marks, click on an empty cell and put the equal signs and type MAX, open the bracket and select the data range. From tilde down, close the bracket and hit enter. And 7500 is the highest value in that data. And if you want to know the lowest marks, then click on the another empty cells and put the equal sign and type MIN minimum, open the bracket, select the data range and close the bracket, hit enter. So 121 is the lowest value in that data. Moreover, if you want to find the second or the third highest marks, you can use the large function. For this, you need to put the equal sign and type LARG large, open the bracket, select the cells and data range, put the comma, space and type 2, the second highest marks, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is 7300 is the second lowest marks in that data. And similarly, if you want to know the second smallest number in that data, for this you need to put the equal sign and type small, open the bracket, select the cells reference and data range, comma, space, type 2, close the bracket, hit enter, and 240 is the second lowest number. And similarly, if you want to know the third lowest number, you just need to change 2 to 3 and hit enter. 360 is the third highest. And similarly, if you want to know the third highest number in the data, you need to change to 3. Click OK. So I hope now you understand how you can find highest and lowest marks in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.